Sorry, you guys. How are you guys doing today? I just want to give honor to God this morning. Thank God for a wonderful, blessed day. And I hope the Lord has blessed your day as well. How was you guys' day? How are you guys doing this, I think afternoon. But before I get started, I ask you guys to please like, follow, and share. Please like, follow. I'm trying to grow my page. So please like, follow, and share. And today we are, hold on. Today we are making this one. I got the Mocha ESPRESSO machine. This is the coffee. So we are making this blue one today. I'm hoping to get this one day. And I like this. This one's so cute. This raspberry. It looks pink, but it is so cute just because I want the color. But just so you are, if you are new, we are making MiniVerse, make it mini food series one, mini appliance series one. Pause to read, you guys. I really want that pink one too. Pause to read. And there you go. Let's get started. We're going to take the plate out because we don't need the plate up under there. We're going to take that off at the top. I thought we was going to need this thing, but I forgot you could just put it in there. Of course. Oops, I forgot the tape was on it. Okay, you guys. Let's get started. Hopefully it comes down. Because I noticed when I put it in water, it melts the color of it. So I don't want to melt the color of it. I noticed that it's not good. So hopefully, because it's been sitting there for like, I think 1 or 2 days. So it should be trying to come down. Once it comes, I'm going to pause it, and once it starts coming down, I will show you guys. Because I don't want y'all to be sitting here all day waiting for this to come down. There you guys go. I think this is just so amazing, you guys. I think this is so cute. I absolutely love this. This is so cute. I just think it's so amazing, y'all. Despite all of the cleaning you have to do with this machine. But I still love it. What do you guys think? You can get this from Amazon, Walmart, Target. This is MiniVerse, make it mini appliance. I'm going to get the ball out just to show you guys. But this is it right here. This is the name. It's coming like a big, huge ball. I think it's almost done. I think this is so amazing, you guys. But I don't think I need any more in there, so hold on. Now, it originally came with 2 of these big ones. It'll cover the whole thing. And I personally do not like that it'll cover the whole coffee. I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of these little ones in there instead. I'm going to put 2 in there instead of just putting that in there. I'm going to put 2 of these little ones in there. 2 different shapes. As you can see, they are definitely 2 different shapes. I'm going to put 2 of these in there because I personally do not like that. So, and I decided I'm going to put some scrolling milk in there because, you can't have coffee without the milk in there. Okay, you guys. I'm going to try to do this. Okay, now we're gonna stick this in the oven right quick before it falls down flat at the bottom. And I'll be right back. Hold on, you guys. Okay. There we go. I absolutely love it. If I would have put the big one in, it would have covered this like whole thing. I want to be able to see some of the mocha. And I didn't put the spoon in it. It's just because I don't have coffee with my spoon. And I just stir it up. You do all that stuff, but I don't like to. But I mean, just for to stir the coffee up or something. But other than that, this how it looks, you guys. I'm going to put it in here. That's just because the oven is not securing it very well. So we're gonna put it in here. There we go. Are you guys ready to get this one out? And here we are. We have our Mocha espresso machine. I really want this pink one too. That's my color. And this one is my mom's color. So I finally did something right and didn't mess it up. Guys, I love this so much. Look at this. Our mocha machine. I think it should have been mocha printed right there. But I love this, you guys. I think it's so beautiful, and I think it's amazing. Get you guys one. Get you guys one. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. God bless you all, and see you all in the next video.